Hey there, fellow diabetics. Are you tired of missing out on indulgent treats because of your condition? Well, today I've got some fantastic news for you. In this video, I'm going to share 2 mouth-watering sugar-free cookie recipes that are perfect for diabetics like us. So get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Before we dive into these scrumptious recipes, let's quickly talk about diabetes and the importance of managing our sugar intake. Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and one of the key factors in managing it is controlling our blood sugar levels. Consuming too much sugar can lead to spikes in blood glucose, which can be harmful to our health. But fear not, because these sugar-free cookie recipes will let you enjoy the flavors you love while keeping your blood sugar in check. For our first recipe, we have sugar-free oatmeal raisin cookies. Not only are these cookies packed with a delightful blend of flavors, but they're also incredibly simple to make. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup almond flour, 1 4-cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 4-cup sugar-free maple syrup, 1 4-cup raisins, 1 4-cup chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 2-teaspoon baking soda, 1 4-teaspoon salt, 1 4-teaspoon vanilla extract. First, preheat your oven to 350 degree F, 175 degrees C. In a mixing bowl, combine the rolled oats, almond flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Mix them well. In another bowl, combine the unsweetened applesauce, sugar-free maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until well combined. Add in the raisins and chopped walnuts and mix them evenly into the dough. Next, take a tablespoon of the dough and drop it onto a lined baking tray. Flatten each cookie slightly with the back of a spoon. Bake the cookies for about 12-15 minutes or until they are golden brown around the edges. Once done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack. Look at these beauties. Sugar-free oatmeal raisin cookies that are absolutely irresistible. The rolled oats provide a good dose of fiber, while the natural sweetness from the raisins and sugar-free maple syrup adds a delightful flavor. These cookies are perfect for satisfying your cravings without worrying about your blood sugar levels. They're absolutely delicious. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's move on to our second recipe. For our second recipe, we have sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. Who doesn't love a classic chocolate chip cookie? And guess what? These ones are guilt-free and diabetes-friendly. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup almond flour, 1 4-cup coconut flour, 1 4-cup sugar substitute, such as stevia or erythritol, 1 4-cup melted coconut oil, 1 4-cup sugar-free chocolate chips, 1 4-cup chopped pecans, 1 2-teaspoon baking soda, 1 4-teaspoon salt, 1 4-teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 large egg. First, preheat your oven to 350 degree F, 175 degrees C. In a mixing bowl, combine the almond flour, coconut flour, sugar substitute, baking soda, and salt. Mix them well. In another bowl, whisk together the melted coconut oil, vanilla extract, and egg until well combined. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until a dough forms. Fold in the sugar-free chocolate chips and chopped pecans if desired. Next, take a tablespoon of the dough and drop it onto a lined baking tray. Flatten each cookie slightly with the back of a spoon. Bake the cookies for about 10-12 minutes or until they are lightly golden brown. Once done, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool on a wire rack. And there you have it, sugar-free chocolate chip cookies that are simply divine. These cookies are low in carbs and sugar thanks to the almond flour and sugar substitute. But don't worry, the flavors are still rich and satisfying. The addition of sugar-free chocolate chips adds a delightful burst of sweetness, making these cookies a delightful treat for anyone, especially those with diabetes. These cookies are absolutely amazing. Now you can enjoy your favorite chocolate chip cookies without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Remember, it's all about finding alternatives and making smart choices. And these recipes show that indulgence can still be a part of our lives, even with diabetes. That's a wrap for today's video, my fellow diabetics. I hope you enjoyed these sugar-free cookie recipes as much as I do. Remember, with a little creativity and some simple substitutions, you can still satisfy your cravings while keeping your health in check. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.